Okay, today's repair is on this HP, and when it starts up, it's a dim screen with a lot of lines. That could be a number of things. That could be a bad video cable to the motherboard, or the connector on the motherboard to the video, or a bad cable or connector at the screen. It could be a damaged screen. It could be bad RAM. But do you see there's flashing going on here? See the flashing? See the dim screen? It's also locked the user out of it, so he doesn't know the password to it. And that's regardless of whether you're in BIOS or in this screen here in Windows, that you still see the flashing. That's not good. That's usually not a temporary thing. That's a hardware issue. Okay, so what do we have here? He has only one stick of RAM in here. Now what he can do is double up on the RAM. Right now he's only got a 16 gig chip in here. That's damn good, but if he can have a 16 in one, that means he can have a 16 in two. However, I don't know what the max is and what this machine was made with without looking. Okay, so he has a stick of RAM. It's a 16 gigger. And what I want to find is a smaller stick of RAM and see if we can make that error go away. I'm hoping that I have RAM in here so I don't have to go taking things apart. Here's an 8 gigger. Anyway, let's go ahead and see if that changed anything. If it changed something, then we have to look at his RAM. Is the RAM any good? This is just telling me the memory size changed, and I'll say enter to that. And as you can see, we still have this problem. So we can rule out RAM. I want to test the external, so we'll be plugging in via the USB. Yeah, I could either do USB-C or the HDMI. He has both. I'm going to do HDMI for now. Now, if the error does not persist and my screen looks good, my external screen looks good, that's good. That means it's a screen or cabling or connector or something in that line. Whereas if the looks of this screen is the same as what I'm getting on the board, that is not good. That will be GPU, RAM, but we can rule out RAM, or CPU, or... Oh, see, he's got a BIOS password on the system too. Oh, would you look at that? We do have HDMI, and it's in perfect condition. Look at that. So there you have it. We have a good screen on an external, a crappy screen on the laptop. It doesn't matter changing out RAM, still have the same dismal quality screen, which in a while this screen won't even be visible. You won't even be able to use it. So I'm assuming it's a screen. So although he wanted to clone his service drive over to this to make it work in the fashion that he wanted to, there's other work that will need to be done prior to that. Actually, I could clone it even now using an external screen. So if the owner intends to use it like a desktop computer, you simply wouldn't buy the screen replacement. You would just plug in your HDMI to your big screen TV. Your mouse and keyboard, of course, would be plugged into this unit here, just like the HDMI cable is plugged into this unit here. And now you have the smallest desktop computer. So that's an option. So I won't be doing any cloning with this today without him giving an okay to do that.